Two open source AI agents are dominating 2026: OpenClaw and Hermes. Both can run 24/7, both connect to your messaging apps, and both claim to be the smarter choice. So, which one actually wins? Let's break it down fast. What is OpenClaw? OpenClaw started as a weekend project by developer Peter Steinberger in late 2025. It went from zero to hundreds of thousands of GitHub stars in weeks, one of the fastest growing open source projects ever. It's TypeScript based and built around a gateway, one central process that handles every session, every tool call, and every message across more than a dozen platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and Slack. Think of it as control tower for multiple agents at once. What is Hermes? Hermes agent comes from Nose Research or New Research. Instead of a central gateway, it's built around a single self-improving loop: do, learn, improve. It's Python native, converts successful workflows into reusable skills over time, and can spawn isolated sub-agents for parallel tasks. It also runs with zero telemetry by default, which appeals to privacy-focused users. Speed. For raw task execution, OpenClaw feels faster out of the box. It ships with web search, file handling, code execution, and browser automation pre-built. So there is less setup before it can act. Hermes takes a bit longer to configure, but once its skill library builds up, it gets noticeably quicker on tasks it's seen before, because it's reusing learned patterns instead of solving from scratch. Smarts. This is where they really diverge. OpenClaw is broad. It can juggle many tools and many agents across many channels, but that breadth can mean more noise and more moving parts. Hermes is narrow and deep. It gets sharper the more you use it on repetitive work, but it's less built for large scale orchestration. Security. Worth a mention. Hermes was designed with a more conservative layered security model from the start. OpenClaw's rapid growth come with some well-documented security concerns, so if you are deploying either one, read the setup docs carefully. Verdict. If you need one agent that gets sharper the more you use it, go Hermes. If you need one system coordinating multiple agents across every platform you use, go OpenClaw. Neither is better outright. It depends on the job. That's the real difference between OpenClaw and Hermes. Which one are you using? Let me know down below in the comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more AI agent breakdowns. Thanks for watching and goodbye.